Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day everyone, my name is Salema, founder and CEO of Mansalema Enterprise. At Mansalema Enterprise we deal with safety, prioritizing victims of GBV. The pitch event today here in Tlhabane was quite an exciting one. I've done a few pitches, but this one was local. It was in Ekasi. Addressing the locals and addressing the judges on the ground was a bit challenging because they started with the pitch first. On most events, they would end with the pitch. So it was challenging but exciting. Thank you. Our contact details on Facebook and Instagram, it's at Mansalema. For WhatsApp contact 067 127 6191. My name is Morekolodi and I am a township entrepreneur.